All right, today we're on a mission to equip you with a new secret weapon, GitHub Copilot. This isn't just another tool, it's an AI partner that's seriously going to change the way you write code. So get ready, because we're about to upgrade your entire development process.
Here's our mission plan. First, we'll meet your new AI wingman. Then we'll run a quick pre-flight check. After that, we'll deploy it right into your editor, see what it can really do, and then we'll wrap up with a debrief on your newly upgraded arsenal. Let's dive in.
First up, meet your AI wingman. Let's get to know this powerful new asset we're adding to your toolkit, GitHub Copilot.
So the first thing you have to understand is that Copilot is not just some chatbot you talk to in a separate window. No, it's a powerful AI engine that's embedded directly inside your editor. It's right there with you, turning your simple, plain English prompts into code suggestions in dozens of languages. And that's really the key here. You don't have to switch applications or break your flow. It's the most widely used AI developer tool on the planet for a reason. It just seamlessly fits into your workflow, suggesting bits of code and even entire functions in real time. Okay, next up is our pre-flight checklist. Before we actually deploy this thing, we've got to make sure our systems and, our budget are all ready for the upgrade.
And of course, the first question with any new piece of gear is always about the investment. So, what's it going to cost to get this powerful wingman up in the air with you?
Well, if you're a solo developer, the investment is super straightforward. It's $10 a month. Or, if you want, you can pay $100 for the whole year, and that plugs Copilot right into your personal editor.
Now, if you're working with a team on a bigger scale, the business plan is $19 per user per month. And that tier comes with all the crucial stuff for organizations, like license management and policy controls.
All right, time for a quick system check. Before you hit install, you're going to need 3 things ready to go: the LTS version of Node.js, the latest stable build of Visual Studio Code, and of course, an active GitHub account that you're signed into.
Okay, with our pre-flight check all done, it is time for section 3, deploying your Copilot. Let's walk through the super simple sequence for getting this thing installed and activated.
And one of the best parts about Copilot is that you don't have to change your workflow at all. As you can see, it just deploys right into the editor you already know and love, whether that's Visual Studio, Neovim, vscode, or one of the JetBrains IDEs.
The deployment sequence itself is just 4 easy steps. You're just going to start by searching for GitHub Copilot in your editor's extension marketplace. Now, make sure you see that official shield from GitHub so you know you've got the right one. Then just click Install and enable it.
So once it's installed, you'll get a little prompt to authorize the extension with your GitHub account. And the final step, the big one, is to click Enable Globally. That establishes the system link, it activates Copilot across all of your projects, and just like that, you are ready to fly. All right, now we get to the really fun part. In section 4, we are putting your new wingman to the test. Let's see what your new AI-powered partner can actually do out in the field.
So the very first thing you're going to notice is this feature called Ghost Text. As you're typing, Copilot is reading the context of what you're doing, and it whispers suggestions right there in your editor. It's literally predicting what you're about to type. It kind of feels like it's reading your mind. All you do is hit the Tab key to accept it, or hit Escape to just ignore it. But what if you want to see more options? Well, just hit Ctrl Enter, and that opens up the Completions panel. This thing will generate up to 10 different solutions to your problem all at once. It's perfect for when you want to explore a few different ways to tackle something and pick the best one.
And check this out. One of its biggest benefits is how it just accelerates your logic. So on the left, you see a totally empty function. Bam! Copilot instantly fills it with all the necessary boilerplate code like you see on the right. This handles all that tedious work so you can focus on the hard parts. Okay, this is where it starts to feel like actual magic. You can command Copilot just using simple comments. You just describe what you want in plain English, like, hey, I need an exported footer component, and Copilot just builds the complete functional code for you. It's amazing.
And it's not just for logic, it even helps you style at speed. Copilot is actually smart enough to read your project's existing design system. It can suggest interactive states, like hovers, and it automatically matches the design tokens you're already using, so everything stays looking consistent.
Okay, time to run a quick wish and debrief. Your arsenal is now officially upgraded. In this last section, we'll just go over the key takeaways.
Mission complete. We have successfully equipped the extension, and we've activated it globally. We've seen its core capabilities in action, from that real-time logic prediction with Ghost Text to exploring tons of solutions in the completions panel, and that incredible power of turning just natural language prompts into code.
So here's the bottom line.
The most important point of all of this, you've fundamentally changed how you're going to approach your work from now on. You are no longer coding solo. So the only real question left is, with this new AI wingman by your side, what are you going to build first?